Hi, welcome to Charlotte's Cooking Show. I'm Charlotte. This is season 3, I guess. Anyway, today we are starting off with some really easy, quick family favorites. Tonight we are making pork fried rice. You're gonna love it. So one thing I always have on hand, and I always cook extra, is rice. Always keep it in the fridge. I always cook 3-4 cups of rice, and then we use it to make fried rice. Kids love it, and it's so much better in fried rice the next day or the day after that. So we are making pork fried rice using our day-old rice from yesterday. Today I'm starting with just a family-friendly cut of pork. It was on sale. I'm a big fan of that. And we're just going to dice this up into kind of like little bite-sized spots or sizes, and then we're going to start frying it in our wok. So we've got a couple cups of diced up fresh pork here. We're going to add it to a really hot pan. We've got some vegetable oil in there. We're going to let that fry up real quick. I'm just going to give this a quick season, some salt, and a little bit of pepper. And then we've got some more seasoning coming. But yeah, nice hot oil. Fry those up, and then we'll head back and do some chopping to add in. So we're gonna do some chopping. I've got some celery. I've got a white onion here. I like snow peas. And then we're gonna add in some frozen veggies because that's super quick, and we'll add that kind of at the end. But we're just gonna dice up this onion, celery, and snow peas. So this diced pork only took a couple minutes to cook, really, very, very quickly. We're gonna use this oil, and we're going to fry up 3 eggs. And we'll do that really quickly, just get these out. So I'm just gonna put this to the side. I have my little tongs here. I'm gonna fry up 3 eggs. So I've got them here. I turned the heat down a little bit too, about medium. I really wish I could do the like one-handed thing. I still don't know how to do it. Anyway, just gonna fry these up. So in my fried rice, I like to put fresh onion, fresh celery, and I like snow peas because I like their crunchiness. So we're gonna put them into this. I put some more hot oil in the bottom here, and we're gonna fry these up. But we are gonna add some more veggies. I like these to start. So this is nice and softened a little bit here. We're just gonna put this to the side. This part's a little tiny bit annoying. I do it this way because I like each individual section to like cook on their own. I suppose you could do it all at once if you wanted to, but I like to separate it out. So I'll put a little bit more oil in here. By a little bit, I mean a lot. And then we're gonna add in our day-old rice. So one thing I'm gonna do really quickly, I forgot to do, because I get, sidetracked. I'm gonna add in some freshly squeezed garlic cloves, so just 1 large clove. And then I'm going to also add in some fresh ginger. So an easy way with ginger is you use the back of the spoon, pull it against your hand like that, and peel it back. And that's honestly the easiest way to peel ginger, because otherwise it gets it's hard to do. You can't really do it with a peeler too well. But there you go. Side of the spoon, you're all set. So I'm just gonna dice this up real quick and add it in. So here goes our day-old rice. When I put it in the oil like this, I just take it out, kind of clump it through my fingers, or put it through my fingers, kind of break it apart. It honestly, I don't think it matters what kind of rice you use. I always cook with basmati because everybody seems to like it. But really, you can make fried rice with whatever you got going on. So depending on how old your rice is, if it's kind of drier than you would like, what you can do is add just a little bit of chicken stock. I find that kind of rehydrates the rice a little bit. But this stuff is just fresh from last night, so it's not bad at all. So we're just gonna mix around this garlic and ginger into the rice. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in these frozen veggies. Really no rhyme or reason. I just kind of take a handful of them, spread them in, and you really don't have to add any water or anything for these because they'll just heat up in amongst the rice. So that's a good amount right there. So our sauce is going to have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. So it's a little bit of a thicker type sauce, so it comes out more of a paste like that. And then just give it a little stir like this. And let's go add everything in, and then we will add this in to the rice. I think I may also, it calls for a little bit of sesame oil, probably at the end, but let's put a little bit in here now. Just 1 teaspoon. That's about a teaspoon. So add that in, that'll give a nice sesame flavor. Let's head over to the wok. So we've built ourselves quite a little puzzle here. We've got our fried up pork from earlier. We're going to dump that in. Then we've got our sauteed celery, onion, and snow peas. We'll add that in. And then finally we'll add in our fried eggs, 3 fried eggs. So we'll add those into the mix, and then we'll mix them up, scramble them in. After we've done all that, then we'll add our sauce in. You can hear the fried rice frying. All right, so fried rice, you can't go wrong. We have used pork tonight, but I make it with chicken. You can make it with ground pork, ground beef, whatever you feel like. Make it with tofu, do an all vegetarian fried rice, that's delicious too. Put some green onions on top. You've got some eggs in there, got lots of nice protein, and you can use whatever veggies you like. Just make sure you use lots of oil and fry it up. Fried rice is a great comfort food, so yummy. You really taste the ginger in there and the garlic. This is really delicious. Pork fried rice, you should try it.